Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about this Dictopro digital recorder that was sent to me to review over the past week. I've put it to the test to really get a good feel. I also did a recording, as you'll see, where I was in a conference room, standing further away from the digital recorder, so you can see how it picks up as far as that when you're not standing right by the microphone. It is a really well made microphone. It's a metal body frame, feels really, really solid. When you click on the link, you can get other information as well, read reviews, ask questions, and of course order it. Always appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested in getting information. I will deep dive into the features on this and show you what all the buttons are. And it is really jam-packed with a ton of information, capabilities that you can do. As far as information, the manual's got some great information in here. The company's great, as I had some questions as well when I was trying to figure out how to delete a single file. But good information in here. Also comes with the micro USB cable, and then also the headphones. And then lastly, the box, nice box. And this is the X100. It's got 8 gigabytes of memory, 580 hours of audio recording. Wow, that's a lot of time. And it's got a slew of features. So where I really took advantage of testing this out is just with recording different scenarios. Although you could put music in other files, I did not. But I did connect this to my computer via the micro USB connection, where I was able to access the file, but I will look forward to showing that to you in my conference room. Really nice product. You definitely want to check it out if you are in the market for a digital recorder. But first, I'm going to share with you and dive into actually, what I'll do first is play an example of me in the conference room of how that sounds. And then lastly, I will dive into the features that it can do, as well as all the settings and the functionality to it. So make sure to click on the link, again, where you could get more details of the product. And if you have any questions, I'll try and answer them. Also, thanks for liking this video, subscribing to my channel. I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours. And I appreciate the company sending this to me to share with you. All right, everybody, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Got the recorder turned on here. I'm in a conference room. I'm going to leave it at the edge of the table here. I'm going to come all the way around and see how well the mic picks up. Standing this far back, so if you're using it in a conference room, this will give you an idea of how well the audio sounds. Now, these are still the settings that come as the default, and obviously you can adjust, but this will give you an idea of the sound. Okay, so let's go through the features and all the buttons. So starting with the front, you've got your record button there. You've got your menu, your play, pause, and you're going to use a lot of these options, especially during the settings. On the side here, we have a lock, so you can lock it, and then you have up and down. On the bottom, you have the micro USB connector. Again, 8 gigabytes of storage space. And then this side, we've got the volume and then the on-off. As far as these three, what looks like they would be options, these are just for look, and the same thing on this side. On top, you've got your connector, and you can use the headset that came with it, and then you have your line in. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And it is nice because it is a color display. So to go through the different options, you just use your up and down button. So you got set, music, recordings, and auto record. So to go into set, you are going to press the play pause, and there you could go into the different options. So for the play mode, you can do repeat, shuffle, and then the M sometimes takes you back. You could do sound settings. You could do an equalizer. You've got a lot of different options in the equalizer there. And then you've got your volume limit, and then you could adjust the volume limit, and that saves that. You got your sleep timer. So you could do a sleep timer, or you could turn off. You've got your display settings. You could do brightness, so you can adjust the brightness. And then once that's set, then you go back with the M again, or play pause to go into it. The arrow takes you down, backlit timer. So you can set it for 10, 20, 30, and always on. I have it set for 30 seconds now. And it does have auto shut off when you're not using it for 2 minutes of inactivity to help save battery life. Then the date time, it is only available in military time, so do keep that in mind. And then you can adjust the date format as well. So depending upon how you want that to show up. And I have this for the middle, and then you could set the date there. So that is that option. You got your language. I've got that set for English, but there's other languages there. Information, player information, tells you the model and the version. And then also you can get your disk space, so you can see how much storage space is left. And then you could format device and factory settings. So that is under set. Then for music, you could add music if you want, and it would then break it down to different sections. I don't have any music stored, but you can put music in here. And then you can get, again, all that information on music. Recordings. So you can come into recording library or recording settings. So recording library is you've got all your audio files on there. Now you could delete all the files if you want, and if you press play pause, it will give you that option. You can say yes or no. So I'm going to say no. But if I want to just delete specifically this file, and you press the volume and hold up, let me hit that too quickly. You press and hold that button down, and then you could say delete, and then you could say yes again. Again, I'm going to say no, and then I am going to go back. Now, if I want to see that file and I play it, I'm going to press the play pause. Now it tells you right here in the red where you are on playing it, when it was recorded, and how long it was recorded for. I have it saved for a WAV format. Now, if I want to record something, I could just simply press the record, and there you could see how it's picking up your voice. When you're recording, it shows you the mic and the other information that you want to see, as well as how much time. It looks like it's showing you how much time it is with going backwards. So got 8 hours and 48 minutes of recording time left. I'm using the highest setting. Then I press the record button again, and that records it again. Now, if I want to go back, and then I can go to that file. Let me actually, I think this is the one right here. And there you can see how it's picking up your voice. When you're recording, it shows you the mic and the other information. So that is the file that I just recorded there. And again, if I want to just delete that one, I could say delete, and then yes, deleting. So that is how you record. And then record settings. You've got all sorts of record mode. You could do normal scene. There is another feature here, denoise recording. You've got the format. You could do WAV or MP3, so I could switch that to MP3. You have the quality. I've got it on the highest quality there. So you've got those options there. You've got the source, the microphone or line in. You have the monitoring, so you could turn that on or off. You could do the VOR line in recording, so you could do normal VOR. And then you could do the sensitivity on the mic, choose the class that you want, the denoise levels, and you can go up to 5. Actually, it goes up to 6. And then AOC level. That also goes up to 6 as well. And those are the settings for recordings. Auto record, you could set up an alarm. There's different alarm options there. And then auto record, and you could set it what time you want it to start and end time. So that's kind of cool if you want to do that feature. And then you're back to set. So as you can see, it's got a nice display. Easy to read for the most part, and feels really good in the hand. Very good in the hand. So hopefully this part of the video is of help. Again, do click on the link where you could get more information on this digital recorder. You could read the reviews, ask questions, and of course order it. Please leave any comments or questions in the video here, and I'll try and answer those. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video is of help. Take care.